Are you an athlete or simply an active individual wondering how to prevent injuries and ensure faster recovery times? Today, we are going to explore how chiropractic care plays an instrumental role in injury prevention and recovery. We'll dig in and get started in 10 seconds. Let's go. Hey, I'm Dr. Grant. Let's get started with your greater life right now. We're discussing a topic that concerns anyone who prioritizes being active, from weekend warriors to professional athletes. Today, we are looking at the role chiropractic care plays in injury prevention and injury recovery. When it comes to physical activities, injuries can be a setback, whether it's a sprained ankle from a game of pickup basketball or a strained muscle from lifting heavy boxes. Injuries can disrupt entire lives and lead to chronic issues if not appropriately addressed. From an injury prevention standpoint, a well-adjusted body is more flexible, balanced, and less prone to injury. Regular chiropractic care can help maintain optimal alignment and balance of your spine, leading to better posture and biomechanics. By improving joint mobility, function, balance, and resilience, the risk of injuries is minimized. On a deeper level, chiropractic care enhances your nervous system's function, the body's master control center. A well-functioning nervous system ensures efficient communication between your brain and body, leading to improved coordination and response time, crucial factors in preventing injuries during physical activities. Injury prevention is a proactive approach to health that involves identifying potential sources of injury and taking steps to mitigate these risks. The central concept here is that an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. Regular chiropractic care plays a huge role in this preventative approach in several ways. A simple example of this that I have seen in patients on a daily basis is imbalance of the pelvic bones. When the pelvic bones are shifted out of alignment and one being higher than the other, this will cause the body to put more weight on the lower side. This means the hip, knee, and ankle on that lower side of the body will be more prone to injury and more prone to developing arthritis. The other thing that will happen is the spine will compensate for the pelvic imbalance to keep the eyes level with the ground. So if the pelvis is high on one side, the spine is going to shift like this, then back like this, and then back here to keep the eyes level with the ground. This will impact the mechanics of the shoulder, the spine, the ribs, and the neck. So we're increasing the likelihood of shoulder injuries, decreasing rib movement, which will have a direct impact on breathing and can impact heart rate and blood pressure as well, and distortion of the neck, which can increase the likelihood of a neck injury. A second major consideration in injury prevention is the role chiropractic care plays in improving flexibility and mobility. Many injuries, especially sports-related ones, happen because the body is not flexible or mobile enough to handle a particular action or movement. From a very foundational level, chiropractic adjustments improve joint mobility, leading to an increased range of motion. This increased flexibility can help to protect your body against injuries. The third factor to consider is coordination and balance. The brain and nervous system control your body's movements. When the nervous system is not functioning optimally due to spinal subluxations, it can lead to impaired coordination and imbalance, making you more prone to injuries. By locating and correcting these subluxations, chiropractic adjustments ensure the brain and body communicate optimally, which can enhance coordination, balance, and reaction time, further reducing injury risk. In addition to improved biomechanics, improved range of motion, improved coordination and balance, chiropractic care promotes better body awareness, also called proprioception. This is an increase in your brain's conscious and unconscious awareness of where your body is in space, making you more attuned to your body and how it functions and moves. This improves your ability to perform movements that require less than a second to complete, like a golf swing, a pass, shooting a basketball, or just taking a step up a flight of stairs. This will greatly reduce the risk of injury during those activities. Regular chiropractic care can help identify issues before they become a major problem that impact your quality of life. For instance, a minor misalignment or muscle imbalance might not cause immediate pain or discomfort, but if left unaddressed, it could lead to more serious issues down the line. Chiropractic can identify these issues and address them, helping to prevent more significant injuries in the future. I hope you can fully appreciate the role of chiropractic in injury prevention. It's not just about treating existing conditions, but rather about maintaining optimal health and wellness to avoid potential issues in the first place. Now let's discuss the role chiropractic plays if you've already suffered an injury. When the body is injured, it initiates a natural healing process. Typically, damaged cells from an injury will create pain-provoking mediators. These mediators will activate a pain response from neighboring tissue. There are a large number of chemicals involved in the pain and inflammatory process following an injury, including ATP, glutamate, potassium, bradykinin, COX-1 and COX-2, prostaglandin E2, pro-inflammatory cytokines, nerve growth factor, and a handful of others. In some cases, nerve damage will be the direct cause of pain. The pain response will help to prevent further injury, and the inflammatory response is step one from healing. This process isn't always smooth, and it can be affected by various factors such as high inflammatory diet, inadequate rest, and altered mechanics following the injury. This is where chiropractic shines. One of these significant ways chiropractic care aids in recovery is by correcting spinal misalignments that create neurological tension, otherwise known as subluxations. These misalignments can impair the nervous system's function, disrupting communication between the brain and the body. Subluxations can be caused by injuries, but are not usually pain generators. The neurological irritation can impact the innate response of the immune system in regard to injury recovery. Chiropractic adjustments correct vertebral subluxations, ensuring your nervous system works at its best and supports faster and more efficient healing. Injuries often lead to altered movement patterns as the body compensates to avoid pain. This can result in additional stress on other parts of the body and can lead to further issues down the line. Regular chiropractic care can help manage pain during the recovery process. Many injuries, particularly those involving the musculoskeletal system, cause pain due to inflammation and pressure on the nerves. Chiropractic adjustments can alleviate this pain by improving joint mobility and reducing inflammation. This not only makes the recovery process more comfortable, but also allows you to return to your normal activities sooner. Let me go a little deeper on this. As I said, injuries often lead to compensatory changes in movement patterns as the body tries to avoid pain. While this might provide short-term relief, it can lead to longer-term issues as it can place additional stress on other parts of your body and result in further injury. Chiropractors are trained to identify these changes and use adjustments to restore proper movement patterns, promoting healthier movement and preventing secondary issues from occurring. Finally, let's also address chronic injuries. These persistent issues often arise from untreated or improperly treated injuries and can significantly hamper performance and quality of life. Chiropractic care addresses the root cause rather than just treating symptoms. Chiropractic care's role in promoting overall wellness should not be underestimated, especially in the context of recovery. A well-adjusted body with a well-functioning nervous system is more capable of handling stress, including the stress of an injury. By promoting better sleep, reducing stress, and increased adaptability, chiropractic care can help create an ideal environment for the body to heal. As we wrap up, it's important to appreciate that recovery from injuries is a really complex process that involves multiple aspects of your health. By addressing spinal health and the function of the nervous system, chiropractic care provides an inside-out approach to injury recovery that complements and supports the body's natural healing process. Whether you're an athlete looking to enhance your performance or someone who simply enjoys an active lifestyle, incorporating chiropractic care can help maintain your body in its optimal condition, prevent injuries, and ensure efficient recovery if injuries do occur. At Great Life Chiropractic, we're here to assist you on your wellness journey, helping you live a healthier, more vibrant life. So until next time, let's keep living your greater life.